कैसे मिली ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता, पर ऑल आई कैन से इज़ कि मैंने तब एक फ़िल्म साइन की थी भाई, एंड आई वाज टोल्ड बाय बोनी कपूर दैट देयर इज़ दिस फिल्म, और वो एक लड़की की तलाश में है, और एक रोल में तब्बू ऑलरेडी है, तो डायरेक्टर है प्रियदर्शन। तो मुझे बताया गया था कि आप डायरेक्टर से मिल लीजिएगा, एंड इफ़ ही लाइक्स यू एंड इफ़ ही आस्क्स यू फॉर अ स्क्रीन टेस्ट, मतलब उसके बाद अगर आप अच्छे लगे तो वील टेक यू इन द फिल्म। आई वाज रेडी टू गो थ्रू अ स्क्रीन टेस्ट, पर जब मैंने प्रियदर्शन जी से बात की तो उन्होंने मेरे साथ एक कॉन्वर्सेशन होल्ड की अक्रॉस द टेबल, एंड ही वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट मी। फिर उन्होंने कहा कि आई थिंक आई विल गो इन फॉर इट। So I think he kind of gauged with the conversation and with the expressions. As a newcomer तुम्हें लगता है कि my God इतनी फिल्में करने के बाद भी उनके पास उतनी ही डेडिकेशन है जितनी प्रॉब्ली उनकी फर्स्ट फिल्म में थी। मेरे को नहीं लगता है, मेरे को फ्रॉम हियर ऑन माई 6th or 7th फिल्म I would be as dedicated as I was in the first. You know what I'm trying to say? You lose a little bit interest, but no. You learn so much. He is so careful about the way he looks, about the way he dresses, about what his co-star is dressing. If I would wear, let's say, a blue, he would match my kind of what I'm wearing, so that, you know, nobody overshadows each other with the color. Is when the color is concerned, he's a brilliant actor. Nobody can doubt that. I'm not meticulous right now, so I'm sweating away to glory. But so my so-called people who will be watching me will be saying कि ये क्या हो रहा है? It was mostly inspiration. It was mostly, and it was something like, if I have a scene with you and you're Tabu, right? So we'd be sitting across and discussing the scene, and she would say, I think you should say it like this so that we don't waste time there. So I think coming from such a senior actress, you learn a lot. And then, you know, you try to see how she's facing the camera, and, you know, you try and observe, and observing is the best form of learning acting. I'm not gonna sing you.
Just two lines. Come on, for your fans.
नहीं, मेरी बैंड बजा रहे हो? मैं क्या बोलूं? ढोल बजने लगा, गाँव सजने लगा, something. कोई लौट के आया है, तुम संग अपने, I'm not gonna sing it. Hobbies are reading books at times. I'm reading The Fountainhead right now, and watching movies, horse riding, playing squash, sitting with my family, my two brothers, fighting with my brothers, and gardening, giving a bath to my dog. I'm a Scorpio. I identify with Virgos, I identify with Pisceans, I identify with Capricorns. I'm very moody when it comes to it. I'm a very friendly person, but I could be the worst of anybody's enemy. If I don't like you, you've had it, man. Bingo. What is more weightage? In both the terminologies, I could say that being a Miss India, you represent your country to a foreign country, right? And there you meet not 70, you meet about 80, 85 girls your age, your caliber. Again, Miss Indias of their particular country. So it's a privilege. You're like an ambassador, you know, going from your country, you're representing your country. That feeling, I think, when you're doing something for your country, which hardly anybody does these days, it's a different feeling. And when I went as an ambassador to Japan, it was a thrill that till date, whether I give a one good hit or whether I give two good hits, I will never get that thrill again, because I was representing 450 million women of India, and that is something, man. And I think what Ash and Sush did India proud.